Ready to access your NetSuite employee account and manage your business operations efficiently? Dive into this step-by-step guide on NetSuite Employee Login. Whether you're an employee accessing payroll information, submitting expense reports, or managing time off, NetSuite has you covered. Let's get started. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and type NetSuite Employee Login into the Google search engine. Click on the website that appears at the top of the search results. You can log in from the panel that opens. Enter your email address in the first field, your password in the second, and click on the Login button. If you can't remember your password, click here. Don't forget to support our channel by liking this video, leaving a comment with your feedback, and subscribing for more informative tutorials like this one. Your engagement fuels our commitment to providing valuable content. Questions or need further assistance? Drop us a comment below and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for choosing Login Page as your trusted resource for accessing NetSuite Employee Login.